The world of woodworking is more than just a craft, it is a doorway to real, tangible profit. For those who dream of turning skill, passion, and creativity into a profitable venture, focusing on high-demand, luxury wood projects can be transformative. These projects are not just items, they are statements of artistry and craftsmanship that attract buyers willing to invest in quality. Every cut, joint, and finish is an opportunity to create something that doesn't just serve a purpose but also commands value. In this narration, we explore the types of wood creations that sell fast in the high-end market, the strategies to make them irresistible to buyers, and how you can position yourself to earn big profits from your workshop. If you've ever imagined your workshop becoming a goldmine, now is the time to see how your skills can turn into a lucrative venture. Luxury woodworking projects demand attention to detail, precision, and an understanding of the aesthetics that attract discerning buyers. Items such as finely crafted dining tables with intricate inlays, custom-designed wooden cabinets with smooth finishes, and artistic coffee tables that blend functionality with beauty are always in demand. These are not the projects for mass production but for careful, focused craftsmanship where every piece tells a story. Buyers in this market are seeking exclusivity, durability, and style, and they are willing to pay premium prices for pieces that reflect these qualities. To succeed in creating high-demand wood projects, understanding the latest trends in home decor and luxury furniture is essential. Minimalist designs with clean lines, rich hardwoods like oak, walnut, and mahogany, and unique artistic touches often become instant favorites. Incorporating elements like hidden storage, elegant carvings, or bespoke finishes elevates your project from ordinary to exceptional. Each project should be treated as a small masterpiece, carefully designed to appeal to the tastes and desires of your target audience. Beyond design, the ability to market your creations effectively is equally crucial. High-end buyers rarely find your work by chance, they seek it out, or you must make it impossible to ignore. Beautiful photography, well-crafted descriptions, and a showcase of the craftsmanship behind each piece can create desire before a buyer even touches it. Social media platforms, online marketplaces for luxury goods, and local exhibitions are excellent channels to showcase your work, letting potential buyers see both the beauty and the value of your creations. Another key to profitability in luxury woodworking is developing a reputation for consistency and excellence. Clients return to trusted artisans and often refer others when satisfied with both the product and the buying experience. This means every table, chair, or cabinet you create must meet exacting standards. Investing in quality materials and finishing techniques ensures your products not only look exquisite but also last for generations, reinforcing the perception of luxury and justifying premium pricing. Understanding the pricing strategy for high-demand projects is equally important. Unlike mass-produced furniture, luxury wooden creations must reflect the time, skill, and artistry invested. Each project should have a calculated price that accounts for material costs, craftsmanship, and market demand while still allowing for a comfortable profit margin. Transparency in communicating the value of your work helps buyers appreciate why your pieces are worth the investment, and it positions you as an artisan who delivers unmatched quality. Collaboration can also be a pathway to increased profits. Partnering with interior designers, boutique stores, and luxury real estate developers can expand your reach and introduce your work to clients who are specifically seeking high-end pieces. These relationships often result in commissions for unique, custom projects where the price reflects the exclusivity and craftsmanship, further enhancing your income potential. Luxury wood projects are also an opportunity to innovate and create signature styles that define your brand. When buyers recognize a unique touch, whether it's a specific carving technique, a particular finish, or a distinct design element, they become loyal to your work. Branding yourself through style, quality, and reputation ensures that each new project not only sells quickly but also builds long-term demand for your creations. Every artisan knows that patience, precision, and dedication are vital. Unlike mass-market furniture, high-demand luxury projects take time to perfect. But the reward is substantial, a market where buyers appreciate artistry, pay premium prices, and seek out your skill. Your workshop becomes a hub of creativity and commerce, transforming raw wood into exquisite, profitable masterpieces. By carefully selecting projects, mastering advanced woodworking techniques, and strategically positioning your work for the luxury market, you can consistently create items that not only sell fast but also bring big profits. High-demand wood projects stand out because they blend simplicity, practicality, and emotional appeal in a way that instantly attracts buyers. These creations often become quick-selling favorites because they solve everyday needs while adding warmth and beauty to any space. People love wooden pieces that feel handmade and authentic, especially when they carry the character of natural grain, subtle curves, and smooth textures. When you focus on designs that offer both function and charm, you create products that customers recognize as valuable, long-lasting, and worth paying more for. This combination is what transforms ordinary woodworking into a reliable source of profit. Buyers look for pieces that enhance their living environment without feeling overly complicated or heavy, and this is where your craftsmanship shines. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and thoughtful detailing elevate even the simplest projects into something special. When your designs feel personal and intentional, customers form an emotional connection, and that connection leads to confident purchases. High-demand projects tend to be versatile, meaning they fit effortlessly into modern homes, rustic interiors, and minimalist spaces alike. This versatility broadens your audience and increases the likelihood that every piece you create will find the right buyer quickly. Another reason these projects perform so well is the growing appreciation for handmade items in a world filled with mass-produced furniture. People recognize the value of something shaped by human hands, crafted with care, and built to last. When you highlight the natural elements of wood, its textures, patterns, and organic imperfections, your work becomes more than a product, it becomes art with purpose. This emotional and aesthetic appeal allows you to price your projects confidently, ensuring healthy profit margins. As you continue building these high-demand pieces, you're not just creating woodcraft, you're building a brand, a reputation, and a steady stream of income shaped by your creativity. Luxury woodworking is more than a craft, it is a business built on artistry, precision, and vision. By focusing on high-demand projects that attract premium buyers, you can transform your workshop into a source of significant income. Remember, every project you craft with care, every intricate detail you perfect, and every unique idea you bring to life strengthens your reputation and increases your earning potential. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this narration, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.